Are you ready to have your mind blown by something as simple as a logo? Let's start with Toblerone, that mountain. But there's a bear standing on its hind legs within it. Yep, this happy little accident shows off their hometown, Bern, known as the City of Bears. Next up, Baskin-Robbins. Ever noticed the pink 31 in the BR? That's right, those represented the famous 31 flavors, one per day of the month. Then there's Amazon. Sure, you see that yellow arrow. But did you catch it goes from A to Z? This signifies that they sell everything. And the smile is for customer satisfaction. How about Tostitos? Those two T's sharing chip. And the dot on the I is a bowl of salsa. It's a whole social scene hidden in plain sight. The Bronx Zoo, look closer. The space between the giraffe's legs hides NYC buildings. Wildlife meets urban jungle. Finally, Tour de France. At first, just text. But wait. The R is a cyclist, the yellow circle a wheel and sun. Suddenly, a whole rider appears on a bike. Mind-blowing, right? Logos are more than just pretty pictures.